Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 20th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we're going to check out an example of unordered lists in HTML. And this web page is actually pretty similar to the web page that we created in the last tutorial for ordered lists. And in the body section, again on line number 7, I have the center tag and the h1 tag and the text example of unordered list, and I've closed the h1 tag and the center tag in the set order. So this is going to be the heading of the page, and then I have the UL element on line number 8, the opening UL tag, and on line number 16 I have the closing UL tag, and UL is a short form for unordered lists. Now an unordered list firstly is a list that doesn't have that doesn't follow an observable sequence, right? So if suppose you're listing things that cannot be arranged in a particular order, or do not have to be necessarily put into some specific order, then you would probably want to use an unordered list. Like, let's say someone asks you, okay, name the continents in the world, and you just want to list them, and you don't have to necessarily mention Asia before Africa, or Europe before Australia, right? You could mention them in any order. As long as you mention all of them, it's fine, right? So that is the application area where you would want to use unordered lists. And rest of the syntax is pretty similar to ordered lists. You have the li tag and the closing li tag, and between that you have your item. So let's say I want to mention Asia first, so I'll have the opening li tag and the closing li tag, and between that I'll have Asia, and then so on and so forth. I have Africa, America, Latin America, Europe, and Australia and Antarctica. And I'll save the file, and let's see it in Google Chrome, and this is how it looks. Now at the moment I see normal disks, or the conventional traditional bullets being used as the bullets for the list items. If suppose you want to change these to square bullets, then that's also possible. All you have to do is go to your UL element and give a space and type in type, and this is an attribute that we used with the OL element too, that is the ordered list element. And if you want to use square bullets, then you just type in square here as a value to the attribute, save the file, and if I refresh the page in Google Chrome, I see that the bullets have now been changed to square bullets. And if suppose you want to use hollow circles, then that's also possible. You type in circle instead of square here, and I'll save the file again and go back and refresh the page, and there we go, we see hollow circles now. And if you want to change it back to the default mode, you could either set the type to disk and save the file and refresh the browser, and you would see what was there originally, or you could remove the type attribute completely. It doesn't have to be there. Without it also, it would show you the default setting, which is the same as what you see on the screen right now. So anyway, this is all I wanted to discuss with you guys in this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial, in which we'll discuss more HTML tags, and I hope you guys found this tutorial informative and interesting, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.